The so-called salt trick for men has been making waves online, with ads claiming that mixing salt with warm water can drastically improve male performance, boost stamina, and even make men more attractive. The marketing makes it sound like a lost secret that was banned for years and is now being exposed. But let's be real. This is nothing more than a deceptive ploy to sell a product or program. First, the claims are completely unrealistic. The idea that salt alone can transform your body is classic marketing hype. If such a trick actually worked, it wouldn't be sold through sketchy ads. It would be common medical knowledge. These scams often use household ingredients to seem natural and accessible, but there's no real science behind them. Another major red flag is how the ads constantly change websites. If you click on one, you might be taken to a different page than someone else who saw the same ad. This suggests the websites keep getting shut down for violating advertising policies. Clear signs of a scam. The marketing behind these ads is also highly manipulative. Clickbait phrases like, "I was ready to divorce him," or "Men over 40 are going crazy over this," are designed to spark curiosity and make people click impulsively. Once you do, you're led into a long sales video, pressuring you to buy something. Even worse, some of these links could be dangerous. Instead of just selling a fake product, they might install malware or steal your personal information. Some users even reported seeing deepfake celebrity endorsements, which are obviously fake but add another layer of deception. At the end of the day, the salt trick for men is just another scam. It preys on insecurities, uses misleading tactics, and tries to sell you something you don't need. Don't fall for it. Always trust real science when it comes to your health.